If you're considering EasyVista for your help desk needs, there are 12 important things you need to know before making your decision. We'll break down the key features of EasyVista, comparing it to other help desk solutions, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your business. First off, EasyVista is known for its intuitive interface. Unlike some competitors that can feel overwhelming with complex features, EasyVista is designed to be user-friendly, which is great for teams who don't want to waste time on steep learning curves. However, this simplicity can come at the cost of fewer customization options, so if you're looking for a highly tailored system, other platforms may offer more flexibility. Next thing to consider is its automation capabilities. EasyVista offers a solid set of automation tools for repetitive tasks like ticket routing and assignment, which saves a lot of time for your support team. Still, compared to industry leaders like Zendesk, its automation options may seem a bit limited when it comes to advanced workflows. The third thing is its integration options. EasyVista integrates with popular tools like Salesforce, Office 365, and others, but it doesn't have the same extensive catalog of third-party integrations that some of its competitors offer. If your business relies on many niche tools, you might need to check if EasyVista can seamlessly connect with them. The fourth thing is its mobile app. EasyVista provides a mobile app that allows agents to manage tickets on the go, which is an essential feature for remote teams. However, when compared to others like Freshdesk, the mobile app can feel less responsive and might lack some features available on desktop. Next up, let's talk about reporting and analytics. EasyVista offers basic reporting features, but it falls short when compared to more advanced platforms like ServiceNow. It's great for tracking essential metrics, but if you need deep insights and custom reports, you may find it lacking. Another thing to note is its customer support. EasyVista's customer service is generally good, but not as exceptional as some competitors that offer 24/7 support and have dedicated account managers. Depending on your business needs, this could be a deal breaker if you need around-the-clock assistance. The seventh thing is its pricing. EasyVista tends to be more affordable than high-end solutions like Jira Service Management or ServiceNow, but it may not offer the same advanced features unless you're on the enterprise plan. For small to medium-sized businesses, it's a solid value, but the higher tier pricing can be a bit steep if you need the full range of features. The eighth thing to consider is the self-service options. EasyVista comes with a knowledge base and a self-service portal that allows customers to find solutions on their own. While these tools are useful, they aren't as robust as what you'll find in platforms like Zendesk, where self-service portals are more customizable. Next thing is its scalability. EasyVista can scale with your business as it grows, supporting both small teams and large enterprises. However, when compared to competitors like Freshservice, it might require more manual configuration to adjust to a growing business. The 10th thing is its service catalog. EasyVista allows for the creation of a service catalog, which helps standardize service delivery. However, it might not be as customizable as others in the market, such as ServiceNow, which offers a more advanced catalog with greater flexibility. The 11th thing is its security features. EasyVista offers robust security measures, including encryption and compliance with major industry standards. However, if you're working in highly regulated industries, you may find that competitors like Jira Service Management offer more specialized compliance tools. Finally, while EasyVista offers great value for money, it can feel a bit basic when compared to other high-end help desk software like ServiceNow. It's a good option if you're looking for an easy-to-use, budget-friendly solution with essential features. But if you're after a more advanced help desk system with extensive customization and reporting, you might want to look at our recommended solution. You can try it for free to see if it fits your business needs. In conclusion, EasyVista is a solid help desk software, especially for smaller to medium-sized businesses. It offers great ease of use, affordability, and essential features. But if you're looking for more advanced features and flexibility, be sure to check out our recommended alternative that offers even more powerful tools for free.